Well, hello there, old bean, and welcome to jolly old England, to the O'Neill estate near Windsor Castle. So, my name's Steve O'Neill, and I'm the EMEA DSS for EMC, here to accept my Gen 4 challenge made by Bill Scannell in Rome last week. Firstly, I'm going to try and frame what flash storage is compared to traditional storage with spinning disks, and why anyone actually cares. Then I'll move on to some of these new industry terms that have been invented by Wikibon that describe the various generations of this evolution of flash, and why EMC's market-leading XtremIO product is taking the world by storm as a true Gen 4 platform. Now, traditional storage relies upon racks of memory disks, much the same as a sandwich of LP records, with a reader similar to a record player's stylus that moves around and reads these disks as they spin at a very high speed. This technology, whilst effective and cheap to produce, has a number of issues due to the physical size and moving parts of the disks required. Flash or solid state drives, on the other hand, have no moving parts, and they've got a number of significant benefits over a traditional spinning disk. However, these benefits have always been countered with compromises as flash technology has evolved over the years. A recent study by Wikibon of how customers can move to an all-flash array data center broke this evolution of flash down into a number of generations. And it's important that we understand the compromise each of these generations have, and why Wikibon believe that only 4th generation architecture, as provided by market-leading, no-compromise XtremIO solution from EMC, is really going to be one of the only ones capable of truly delivering this all-flash array data center. Back in the day, the first generation, like 3PAR, took existing storage arrays with spinning disks and added some flash cards. This enabled the arrays to run even faster, but added considerable extra complexity as more intelligence about where the data was placed was needed to deliver the speed. The second generation, like TinTree and Nimble, delivered a simple solution to the tiering challenges of Gen 1 by putting solid-state drives in front of the spinning disks. Now, this did get the applications running very fast, but it didn't really scale or suit mixed workloads. So this was never going to be a full data center solution, although it did deliver speed and ease of use for some workloads. The third generation, like Pure and Violin, delivered all flash arrays with low latency, high IOPS, but still used the existing dual controller technology of traditional storage, coupled now with flash and data services like dedupe to manage the data. The challenge now was that this was still built on existing storage designs, so these data services had a major impact on the performance, which meant really, in order to deliver the expected performance, some of these new data services had to be turned off. So you're left with a major compromise situation: greater efficiency with unpredictable performance, or predictable performance with poor efficiency. Clearly, still not a solution for the all-flash array data center. Which leads us to the 4th generation of flash, like market-leading all-flash array XtremIO, where you can now get the amazing speed of flash with scale-up and scale-out active-active controllers, allowing you to scale from 2 active-active controllers up to 12 active-active controllers. And from Q2 2015, this is actually going to become 16 active-active controllers. Couple this with data reduction services like always-on inline dedupe and compression means that XtremIO can truly deliver a no-compromise enterprise-class all-flash array that can fully enable the future all-flash array data centers. So with the price per gig of flash now being at or lower than traditional storage, coupled with the no-compromise benefits of 4th gen XtremIO, the decision to move to all-flash arrays is now becoming a no-brainer, and the benefits of 4th generation arrays, like speed, 20 times faster than disk with sub 1 millisecond latency, resilience, no spinning disk to break, space, currently 4 times more dense than disk, and by the end of the Q2 that's going to be 16 times, power and cooling costs reduced, speed, the deployment times are agile. This can be 20 times quicker than disk, and more importantly 3 times quicker than pure. Dedupe, with dedupe rates of 15 to 1, just imagine the cost and space impact. 15 times less kit, 15 times less 4 tiles. Dedupe as well, licensing. Because of this dedupe, you can now massively reduce a customer's software footprint that they're going to need to put licenses in. And finally, predictability, consistency, garbage collection, no tuning hotspots ever. Just that consistent works all the time, always. These are all available to anyone who selects the 4th gen XtremIO solution. And don't just take my word for it. The market agrees with us. XtremIO is the fastest growing product line for EMC ever. Now at an annual run rate of $1.2 billion a year and with a 43% market share. So that's my Gen 4 accreditation done. I look forward to continuing to practice and improve this pitch going forward. And I'd now like to pass on this challenge to my extended EMIR DSS team so they too can become Gen 4 accredited. And as they say over in England, pure! The power of XtremIO.